Good evening. Tuesday night. We are getting some of the last of 2022's weather temper tantrum. We have high winds and rain starting up. This table was over here, and as I was walking up to record, blew over and knocked that over. So all the equipment's been taken down. So due to the circumstances, I will not video giving them the treats. I've got to get in there and get it done. So the girls got their treats, and I got them all tilled up today. Came home. Sorry for the noise. It is really coming down right now. But I got them all cleaned out, and they're all tilled up today. They're happy about that. Wow, I got to continue this inside. Give me a second here, guys. So all the pins, even with this heavy downpour, is dry. All the girls, everybody's happy. Man, this is a really good storm we got going on. I'm going to take this inside, I believe. So first day back to work since the 4-day weekend, and Sunday night getting the new food allergy reaction to where I was sleeping on the toity. I was walking into work, and literally the TikTok song, this one right here, I'll play it. I wanna go home. Was ringing through my head as I was putting the key in the door, and it was a rough one today. I mean, I knew it was going to be hell's bells. Whenever I have 4 days off, it's just like the building knows that I've been away and wants to punish me for that. So yeah, not a good comeback to 4 days, but a good friend of mine made me some yarrow tea and some fried rice, which is the first solid food I've had since Sunday, and really gave me a boost of energy, but just enough to get me home, to get me my work done with the chickens and all that stuff, and just come in here and kind of just be done. I'm going to be going to bed here early as soon as I get the girls to bed. So just thought I'd check in. You guys stay safe. Have an amazing night. Man, I'm tired. And stay safe tomorrow. We got the high winds in King County, Washington, South King County especially. So you guys stay safe and batten down the hatches. Temper Tantrum 2022 is still going on.